time's just gone 4 p.m. The boost is 1.4. I'm on £49.80 with 10 trips completed. So we got an order from a I think it's a Nigerian restaurant, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, it's not McDonald's for a change. That order is 1.5 miles away. Pretty decent drop, 1.5 miles. So that last one paid about £4.40 or 50, I don't know. But yeah, basically delivered that order, and there was one item missing. I just told the guy, look, it's not my fault. All my job is to pick up the food and deliver it from A to B. Told him to give Uber a call and they'll give him the difference of whatever the missing items are. See, that's why I'm lucky that I recalled, because I can prove that I picked up 2 items, you know. I keep getting this McDonald's 1.2 boost. I don't want 1.2.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So I spoke to Uber and they basically said just go to the trip and raise an issue with it. Oh, so I've hit 504 deliveries, 98% satisfaction. Another McDonald's. I can see like 8 drivers waiting for orders. 0.5 miles away. I think this is like my 12th delivery now of today. Yeah, putting in a shift. And I started at 8 o'clock this morning. Had a break from 2 till 4. There you are. Cheers, bro. Thank you very much. Cheers. £4.14. Quite good. And there's another McDonald's. That's too big. Too many items. God damn, that sunshine. Oh, I honestly can't wait till summer. I cannot wait. Oh. So this one's 0.4 miles away. Another very short. Okay, oh, we got cool, that one's done. See how much we got paid for that. Literally took me 2 seconds to get it. £4.02 just for that. Another McDonald's. Thank you. Two strawberry milkshakes. Nothing else. Just two strawberry milkshakes. 0.6 miles for this one. All really short drops, but it's good because I'm getting all of the minimum fares, you know. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful bike. To go this way. Can't even get out this way. Or can you? Yeah. Oh, skills. I'm not sure what happened. I pressed the record button and nothing recorded. My GoPro just turned off. This McDonald's order that I picked up was 1.5 miles away. I'm only 0.2 miles away from it now. So pretty close. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there. But yeah, I was just saying it's pretty cold now. The sun's gone down. And the nighttime wind started to come in. Pretty cold. There you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Sweet. See how much we get for that? 1.5 miles. Well, a 1.5x boost should be pretty good. Around £5.30, I reckon. £5.29. Look at that. I was 1 pence off. I'm getting too good at this. £5.30 for that. So that takes us up to £73.35 with 15 trips completed. And we've got another 3.5 hours left. So I've got another McDonald's drop off, 0.4 miles away, so that's a close one, but it's 1.5, so I'm going to get the minimum fare, which I think is £4.02, I think it is. Alright, Uber Eats. Cheers. Another McDonald's. We've got another one. 5 chicken selects and chicken legend meal. Yes, perfect. Back to back order. That's what I like. So I've got another McDonald's and it's only 0.5 miles away, which is good.
Hey yo, Parker, this is heat, bruh.
Yeah, thank you. Just like that, I got another McDonald's order. God, one after another. So happy. Delivered. Alright, let's see what this next one is. Big Mac meal and bacon double cheeseburger. Yep, I'll go do that. Got no issues with that order. Look how many drivers are waiting for orders. I was waiting 45 minutes for one order. Absolute shambles. And it's 8 PM now.
Thank you.
Waiting over half an hour for one order, so I cancelled it. And now I've got a order from KFC. And it's only one bottle of drink, which is weird. Just one bottle of Tango. Oh, fuck. Nice. Yeah. Thank you. This one's 1 mile away. So confused why you just order a bottle of drink. Valentino Rossi there. Flipping out. He weren't going 20 miles an hour, put it that way. So I've got another McDonald's order. Hopefully it isn't too busy in there now. We can actually collect an order within half an hour or so, you know. It's ridiculous how long you have to wait. Right above us. Alright, so I got that order, 0.7 miles away. So I managed to finish on £100.90 with 20 trips. I was online for a total of 9 hours and 9 minutes, but that's the time that I was online. I was actually out from 8 AM till 2 PM, and then I went offline for 2 hours and went back online at 4. I was actually out of my house for 11 hours. So yeah, we made £62.71, and the boost made up £36.19, and I got a £2 tip from my last order that I dropped off. The time is now 9:15, and yeah, I'm gonna sign off here. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Really appreciate it. If you're thinking about driving for Uber Eats and delivering some food in your spare time, click the link in the description and use my referral code.